We have a question given the points A, B, P, Q and R. Show that AB is parallel to QR and that BP is perpendicular to AB. We have important notes. Two lines are parallel if they have equal gradients, and two lines are perpendicular if the product of their gradient is -1. So for gradient of AB, we use the formula gradient is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Our point A is 1 minus 1, B 5, 2. We assume that this is our x1, this is our y1, x2, y2. So we substitute there. Our y2 is 2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This simplifies to 2 plus 1 over 5 minus 1 is 3. Sorry, it's 4. So we have our 3 over 4. That's the gradient of AB. So we'll move on to gradient of QR. Our point Q is -1, 3, and R is -9, -3. This is our x1, y1, x2, y2. We use this formula. We substitute there. Y2 is -3 minus y1, 3 over x2 -9 minus x1 -1. This simplifies to -6 over -9 plus 1. And this becomes -6 over -8. By -2 is 3, by -2 is 4. So the gradient simplifies to 3/4. Right, going back to our important notes, two lines are parallel if they have equal gradients. So these two have equal gradients. Therefore, gradient of AB is equal to gradient of QR, which is equal to 3/4. Therefore, AB is parallel to QR. Then we move on to the second part to show that BP is perpendicular to AB. So first of all, we find the gradient of BP. Our B is 0.52. Our P is -1 -110. Then we use the same formula, y2 minus y1 over that. So this becomes our x1, y1, x2, y2. So this is y2 10 minus y1 2 over -1 minus x1 5. This is 10 minus 2, it becomes 8 over -6. By 2 it's 4, by 2 it's -3. So this is 4 over -4/3. That's the gradient of BP. And the gradient of AB there, our A is 1 -1 and B is 5, 2, x1, y1, x2, y2. We use that same formula, y2 minus y1, y2 2 minus y1 is -1 over x2 5 minus x1 1. This simplifies to 2 plus 1 over 4, and this becomes 3/4. And if we carefully analyze our gradient of BP and gradient of AB, if we multiply gradient of AB times gradient of BP, we get gradient of AB 3/4 times that of BP, we get -4/3. If we multiply, we get -1. Therefore, AB is perpendicular to